Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and search for Windows 11. Now, open the first website that appears and you will see the official Microsoft web page. Here, click on the download button at the top and then download the Windows 11 Upgrade Assistant. Once the download is complete, run the software and a new window will open up. Inside it, you can see that my Windows is updated to the latest version right now. But if any updates are available, I can use this assistant to update my Windows. If you would like to get the updates without using any third-party software, close everything and click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner. Now, open the Settings app and click on the Windows Update icon at the top right corner. If I click on the Check for Updates button, you can see that my Windows is already updated. But if you have any remaining updates, you will be able to install them from this page. So that's basically how you can upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.